Hello my good people, welcome back to Sci-Fi Electronic Reviews, and today as you can see I'm holding this box for a vacuum cleaner, the Von 1.6 liter dry vacuum cleaner, the VAVC-16DMR. I have already unboxed the vacuum cleaner, and as you can see these are the parts that do come with this particular vacuum cleaner. So I will break down what each part does. So stick along with me until the end of the video and let's get into it. Now, this is the first part that you can see on this vacuum cleaner. And to connect it on the vacuum cleaner, this is where you can connect it. As you can see inside there is a hook, and there is a hook right here. So you put it here until you hear the click sound, just like that. So this is the first thing you have to connect on your vacuum cleaner, the way it is. Now coming to this cord, we have this cord here. So this one is also used to, it can extend your pipe a bit longer. So you connect it right here. Just make sure that it is tight and no air is coming out. And then this one right here is also for making it a bit longer. So you pull it out and then you pull the whole thing out. So you have a long cord like this. Now it comes in three parts. The first part, this one, and then the third part. Now this one is for cleaning the carpet, something like this. This one is for cleaning the carpet, and then this one is for sucking any dust that is maybe in the corners of your room or your seat. And this one is for the fabric seats. Can also be used to scrub the fabric seats. Now to connect this one, you just have to put them at the end here. Just make sure that they also leave no space for air. And this one is also rotatable, and it also has wheels, so it can work on your carpet very well. Now this part right here, it has a button where you click to suck in these fabrics, or you can get them out, the brushes I mean. So if you get them out, it means you are washing the carpet, or rather you are drying the carpet. So if it has some residues of like food, you can brush them off and then it will suck it in. For this one, is maybe a flat surface. So because with me here I have a carpet, and I will use that paper there so that I can demonstrate how it's sucked. So I will first put them out like that, and then I will turn on the... Oh, by the way, looking here, this one can also be rotatable, because like this I'm not comfortable with it, so you can just rotate it so that you have to hold it in place like this kind of position, so that it's much easier for you to brush off. Now let's come to the vacuum cleaner itself, because I haven't set it up. Closely to the vacuum cleaner, this is the power cord. So if you press this in, it will pull in this power cord. And if you pull out the whole thing, it's almost 5 meters. I will not pull out the whole thing, but getting it back, you have to press here, and then it will suck the power cord back in, just like that. So I'll put it on power so that I can show you how it's used. Powered on. Now the second button here, this is now where you turn on your vacuum cleaner. So once we press here, it starts sucking. So I will do that right now with my vacuum cleaner ready. So you can hear the voice. I don't know if my microphone can capture. So let's say we want to brush this off. You just hold it like this, and this is how you do it. So let's say I want to suck this paper. You can see it's all gone. It's not inside. I will show you where it goes. So this is how you use this vacuum cleaner. Any dust that is on your carpet will be sucked in. I don't know, my carpet is not dirty, so there is no dust on my carpet. Yeah, so that's how to use it. Now, look at this part right here. This part is for controlling the pressure of your vacuum cleaner. So if you unlock it like that, some air escapes through this place. So this one controls the pressure of sucking. If you want a lot of pressure, you lock it. If you don't need a lot of pressure, you unlock it. So that is all about the carpet. Now, the other connections are all the same. So for this case, something like this, you still just connect it at the bottom the way I connected the other one. Let's remove this. You can put this one back in. So if you have fabric seats, you can still suck them in using this one, and it's also rotatable. So if you need to do it flat at your comfort, you do it like that, and then it can also brush it off. You can even use it on a carpet, because I can see it's also doing a good job. Only that it will take quite some time before you finish. So that is it. And then the last one here is for the corners of the seat or even your house. So you connect it the same way you connected the others. Put it here, then you can feel that pressure right there. So you might be asking yourself, let's switch it off. You might be asking yourself, where do all the dust that you've gotten here go to? Now, looking inside this vacuum cleaner, the paper we sucked is right here. So this is where all the dust goes. So to remove this, you have to press this part down. So you press like this, and then you pull it out. So you can have the whole thing with you. You detach it from the vacuum cleaner. Now, to open it, you can see right here it's open. You just pull it up, and then you have that like that. And then also this one you pull out. So all your dust will be right here. So you can clean it thoroughly to remove all the dust. And the good thing about this vacuum cleaner is that it tells you when the cleaner is very dirty or it has blocked. So this is also the filter. You can pull it out and clean it. So that is the easiest way you can maintain your vacuum cleaner. I don't think there's anything else that you need to know about this vacuum cleaner. Just be sure to get in the market and get yourself a dry vacuum cleaner for yourself. It is very nice. It comes with 12 month warranty on it, and it is a 1.6 liters. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you loved the video. Thank you.